What's this? Caramel popcorn soda in a machine in Japan? Let's try it. 大家好，欢迎来到小咖的稀奇可乐频道。我在日本，我在一个贩卖机之前，还有我发现这个新的产品，就是 caramel popcorn 爆米 soda。我们试一试吧。So it's caramel popcorn carbonated drink, new on the market, and it says Waku Waku series number 2. So I don't know what Waku Waku series is. I don't know what number 1 was, but it says there's 3 types of design, and I don't know what that says. Anyway, let's try it out. It's only 100 yen. I guess it's either of these 2 buttons. Let's see. Oh, here we go. Caramel popcorn soda. And it's kind of caramel colored. Oh, actually, that's pretty good. Damn. Can I leave it here? Is it gonna stay? No. It's gonna fall? Yes. Okay, there we go. Okay, 我刚刚放我的手机在一个 mailbox 上面。你可以看那个设计是不错，应该是爆米，还有他们有 caramel 在上面 ，it's like coming down， 还有在这儿说这个说什么我不知道 ，roll what is that letter soda rice 好像是 rice 不知道，还有说 caramel popcorn soda and it's got this kid， 应该这是另一个设计的的 artwork， 我们试一试吧。Wow. Super caramel. 还有 yeah. 非常甜，非常好吃。This thing is pretty awesome. So yeah, it tastes like really good. 非常好喝，非常甜。那个汤的水平是不是太少？是9.6， so 比可乐少一点。我没有看到人造甜味剂在这儿，可是应该就是真的 sugar, but it tastes extra sweet. 应该那个 caramel 给更甜的味道。So I like it. I definitely like it. So 我很高兴有机会试一试这个，有机会再买，我一定会再买。如果你不喜欢甜的，不喝。OK， 我还是要给我的最终判定，我可以说 caramel popcorn soda. You had me at caramel, and again at popcorn, and again at soda.
I love you. You complete me. And I just had...
Shut up. Just shut up. You had me at hello.
快日了 sun is setting. 不错，对不对？ OK, see you guys next time. Bye. 谢谢你们的支持，谢谢你们订阅，意见商量，拜。就是一个可口可乐，就是一个山寨可口可乐 ，Ice Cola。大家好，欢迎来到小咖的稀奇可乐频道。今天我们在